Good day everyone, co-responsibility, #pananagutan. My management ethics, summary, insight on, and application or praxis of Levinas moral philosophy. Emmanuel Levinas management ethics emphasize the ethical leadership begins with an unconditional, selfless responsibility to the other, rather than focusing on profit, efficiency, or self-interest. Leaders like me are morally called to prioritize the dignity, vulnerability, and well-being of employees, clients, and communities. Leadership then is not mainly about control or maximizing results, but about responding responsibly to the needs of those affected by my decisions. In my school, pastoral management, Levinas ethics schools leaders like me to place students, teachers, staff, and parents at the center of my decision-making, pastoral decision-making. Then educational authority is grounded in service, attentiveness, and care, especially for vulnerable and marginalized learners. In fact, the word authority is from the Latin word auctor ugere, which emphasizes about care, love, or service. We cannot talk about authority without love, care, or service. And this is where Levinas is so substantial to claim that each one of us has the responsibility, but we are more responsible with the others. Let me end this one from the Ubuntu spirit, from the African proverbs, I am, we are, I am. Mabuhay pang lahat, #pananagutan.